Are you experiencing a frustrating issue with duplicate data in your Firebase Realtime Database? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common problem faced by many developers using Firebase with their iOS apps. I totally get it. It can be really confusing when your app seems to work perfectly under normal conditions, but then starts showing duplicate entries when you stress test it. You're definitely not the only one who has faced this issue. Let's break down the specific situation. One user mentioned that while stress testing their iOS app, they noticed that after navigating back and forth between view controllers, their table view displayed a lot of duplicate data. They were puzzled because the app was constantly checking for updates from Firebase. So what could be causing this mismatch in the array count? It often comes down to how data is being observed and updated in real time. If the data isn't being cleared properly before new data is fetched, duplicates can easily occur. Stay with me. By the end of this video, I'll share some key tips to ensure your Firebase data stays clean and accurate, so you won't have to worry about duplicates anymore. To address the issue of duplicate data in the table view, the user should first ensure that the card array is cleared before fetching new data. This prevents old data from persisting when new data is loaded. Next, the user should consider using a unique identifier for each card. This will help in preventing duplicates when the data is appended to the card array. Additionally, the user can implement a check to see if a card already exists in the array before adding it. This will further reduce the chances of duplicates appearing in the table view. Finally, the user should ensure that the table view is reloaded only once after all data has been fetched. This can improve performance and prevent flickering in the UI. Fun fact, did you know that Firebase was originally developed by a startup that aimed to simplify real-time data synchronization? Now, it's a go-to solution for many developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution, provided by another user, involves a significant code change. They simplified the data retrieval process by observing the cards directly, which helps prevent duplicate entries in the array. They also introduced a method to check if the service array count matches the expected count, ensuring that the data displayed is accurate and up to date. Here's a pro tip. Always clear your data arrays before fetching new data from Firebase. This simple step can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to eliminate those pesky duplicates in your Firebase Realtime Database. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.